Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a macro with Razer Synapse. So in the software, scroll down until you see macro and click here on macro. I already have some here, so I'll be showing you how to make, I forgot which one. To make it, just press this plus sign right here, and then this one is really easy because you want a 0-second delay here. So go to insert, keystroke, and then go here and press F. Not just F, just whatever your edit key is, and keep the delay at 0 seconds, and then insert, left click. You want to drag this down so it looks like this. That's it, you're done making the macro. So now you go to keybinds here, and you can bind it to your mouse or your keyboard or whatever you have here, and you can just click on any of these keys here. So since I'm just gonna delete this, let's say I want to shift, so I click shift and then I select the playback option. It's my preferred option, but you can use any of them. After you're done with this, then you can click save, and then you're done. So after you're done making it, it should look like this.
One eternity later.
This macro is faster and more versatile than the other macro because you can also use it for edits like this. It's also more consistent. I don't know what else to say about it. If you guys did find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, or just subscribe, I don't care. Either one would really help the channel a lot. And thanks for watching.